Adventure Team, Scott Sheahen here. I am in Hong Kong, a city that was under the British Crown for about a century and a half. Among other things, they left behind a bunch of culture and even names. For example, I am at Victoria Peak Garden, which is one of the higher points of the city. Come on, let's check out the garden and let's see some stunning views of the harbor. Garden was originally settled and built up as one of the summer residences for a British governor in the mid-1800s. Now over the years, it's transformed quite a bit. Now it just has the trails, the gardens, and the sensational views. There's a lot of ways that you can get up here. Obviously, one, you can hike, but that is a lot of a hike going up. You could also take a bus, cab, Uber, or other car. I took an Uber just to try to get up here a little bit quicker, but either way, there's a lot to do. Birds chirping, the smell of honeysuckle in the air, and these gorgeous views. All of this, very tranquil. Great way to start your trip, especially on one of those jet lag days where you're just trying to find yourself, lose those airplane legs, and just enjoy where you are. That's the end of our adventure. Now remember, it is free. All you gotta do is get up there. And if you liked what you saw, you can follow me on Instagram at Sheahen Explorations. Until the next time, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, keep exploring. See you later.